Hello, hi everyone. So today's topic is tag manager. So we have discussed in the last video what is a tag. Tag is basically a code segment, the code which is provided by different vendors, vendors or marketing vendors to help integrate their product in our website or our app. Okay, now come to tag manager. So what is a tag manager? A tag manager is basically a tool which helps us managing tags. Now the question arises, why do we need a tag manager? So yes, uh, without using tag manager we face some problems, and let us discuss those problems. So we basically face three major problems while we do not use tag manager. The first is dependence on IT team. uh, when we use tags in our website, what actually we do is we add that particular code into our site. It's, the site means the coding of that site, and the coding is only accessible to the IT department or the development department. So IT department needs to do the work that you wants to do. So yes, it makes dependency on the IT department, which is generally busy, and the process is really time consuming. The second problem is multiple locations. By this, we mean is there are different pages on a website. That is what a website is called. Otherwise, we would have called it a web page. Website is a collection of web page. It is basically more than one. So we need to publish tags into multiple pages and in different locations. So that will also further increase the work of the IT department, and it will be more further time consuming, and it will be really complex. So that because the code needs to be added up in certain locations and whole updation needs to be done in the existing code, and the working should be as the website needs to work. So yes, it is a complicated part. The third part is updation and deletion. What happens is when we use tags, suppose some updation is needed in the tag, we got to have a new tag that gives us more features as compared to the tag we were using. So now we need to update that code, we need to update that tag. Okay, and if suppose some tag we are using which we no longer require is outdated, so we need to delete that tag or that piece of code. It also requires our IT team to work, and it will be furthermore time consuming, and the things get very hectic and very confusing. So here comes the role of a tag manager. Okay, now I will tell you what a tag manager actually is. Tag manager is used to host HTML and JavaScript tags of various third party tools. Basically we the thing we are using a code here or a tag here are HTML and JavaScript codes are third party tools. Okay, it generally reduces the dependency of development team. I will tell you how it reduces the dependency on IT team. Okay, it centralizes all the tags at one places. It gives us a UI. I've shown this UI in the previous video. So there we can see all the tags that you have attached or published in your website. So it gives access to every tag in just a single screen. So you can see which all tags are there and which needs to some any changes you want to make on the tag. Okay, it makes it very easy to publish, update, remove tags on their site. See, there's a feature to add tags, and we got built-in tags there. Popular tags are there with built-in features. You just need to click on it, add some certain specification that you need, and it will work like this. So yes, it is a good thing, and it takes away the requirement of coding. See, mostly the analytics people or the marketing people are generally not from IT background or not that IT experts as it is required. So it takes away a huge amount of coding time, which is required to generate a tag or put or publish a tag. Now, how does it solve the coding problem? Okay, the first problem was dependence on IT. Okay, so it does a first time installation of tag manager's code in your Rise site. So it only needs a one time installation on every page. So yes, it is comparatively less time consuming than that it was initially. And analytics and marketing department handles all the implementation of the code or tag. So IT department doesn't need to worry about additional work or burden. Analytics or marketing team will do the work. The second problem was multiple locations. So IT, what it does is it installs the tag manager on all the pages of the sites. It will be done one time and it will be installed in all the pages of the site. So it will solve the problem of multiple locations. Okay, the third problem was updation and deletion. So all the codes are centralized at one place. As I've just told you, there's a UI where we can see all the tags that are installed and are working. So we can update it from there and we can delete it from there if you want to do so. So this is in this way the tag manager solves the major problems that we face when we do not have tag manager. Thank you.